little yogas. I'm so happy you're here today. Don't forget to smile and have fun. Today, we are going to move, stretch, and feel strong, calm, and happy. Roll out your mat, take a deep breath. Let's get started.
Enjoy. Let your worries drift away. Touch the earth and calmly be, floating with serenity. 34. Ustrasana. Open up your heart with grace. Lift your chest toward open space, shining bright like morning sun. Yoga practice full of fun. 35. Virabhadrasana 2. Warrior strong with arms out wide. Stand with courage, strength, and pride. Gaze ahead and hold your ground. Power and balance can be found. 36. Natarajana. Dance with joy and lift your heart. Balance is a work of art. Stretch and shine like stars above, moving gently with self-love. 37. Trikonasana. Make a triangle strong and tall, stretching gently through it all. Reach one hand up to the sky. Watch the clouds go drifting by. 38. Bittilasana. Lift your chest and smile today. Let your worries float away. Breathe in deeply, nice and slow. Feel your happy spirit glow. 39. Utthita Parshvakonasana. Reach so far from toe to hand, strong and steady as you stand. Stretch your body long and free, flowing like the rolling sea. 40. Viparita Virabhadrasana. Reach up high and bend with grace. Feel the sunshine on your face. Warrior shining bold and bright, filled with courage, love, and light. 41. Gomukhasana. Sit up tall and take your time. Feel your body gently align. Open shoulders, breathe in deep. Find the calm your heart can keep.